Okay, so good morning. My name is Anirudh Bandhal. My micro project name is Library Management System. My group members are Pratik Deshpande, Phineas Mane and Rudra Marathe, and our project guide are Professor Omkar Vatne sir. Now let's come to the topic library. Library basically is a collection of book which is kept in a place for reading. So how one will manage this system, because there are not one or two books or 10 or 20 books to manage in the library. Basically, library management system is a software to handle the primary housekeeping functions of a library. Library management system helps libraries to keep the track of books and the members of the library. Library system also involved maintaining the database for entering new books and recording the old books, or the books are borrowed from the members of the library. Purpose of this project or this program is to create library management. We will use XAMPP server for it, and MySQL. Language will be language we will be using is PHP, of course. This is a design, or what we can say, simple materialistic design, a preview of what we are going to make. So that this is what the table will appear when we make the changes in our program. That's for the program. You can see we have used here HTML. We have used PHP over here, and HTML table tag to enter a table in which we can enter a data. So you can look over that, and that's what output will be appearing. This is for searching the book, and this is what the data will appear in PHP MyAdmin server. So what the file contain is HTML, CSS, JavaScript and PHP code. PHP code is executed on XAMPP server, and the result returned to the browser as HTML. XAMPP is an abbreviation for cross-platform Apache, MySQL, PHP, Perl, and it allows you to build WordPress site offline on a local web server on your computer. XAMPP server also uses Linux, Mac and etc. system for running. So for this project, I like to thank Professor Pooja Narve madam for giving us such a beautiful chance to understand this library management process. Thank you.